Kickbox is a program that's sponsored by Elon Maker Hub that allows for students to make any type of idea that they have in their head actually become a reality.
I got here on the first meeting day and everybody wanted to talk to each other. Everyone would say, hey, what's your project about? What's your project about? And people would say, oh, I know somebody who does bookbinding. Let me put you in touch. The cohort of kickboxers has probably been the best surprise for me. We do a couple activities. So far they've been focused around idea generation and the kind of attitude of a maker, what to do when you run into failure, the value of a product not just in what you have but also what you learn from it, and even if you end up taking it apart, trying again, still seeing that value in the process and in the intermediary steps of a project.
So I think the Maker Hub is doing a good job of kind of leaving you on your own and saying, you know, this is your project and you're in charge of how you want to do it, but also making sure that you have a ton of extra resources in the background to where if you were stuck in any way, there's like a giant list of people that you could immediately contact and anyone could help you, be it the cohort or the Maker Hub staff, or even just making sure that you have a sponsor outside of yourself that you can go and talk to. I think it's so applicable to every part of life, in that almost nothing in life comes out perfectly the first time you do it, and so you have to learn and grow all the time. So to me, the Kickbox is such a great thing for other people to learn, you know, that you prototype everything in life, not just making things, but you know, anything that you do, you have to prototype and you want to always be growing better. So